Woman found murdered in St. Anne. One dead following fiery crash in Trelawney. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A woman was found murdered in St. Anne on Sunday. Her body was found along the Londonderry main road with a pillow tied with a piece of cord over the face. The body has not yet been identified. More details to come following further investigations. The driver of a Honda CR-V was reportedly burned beyond recognition after a fiery motor vehicle accident which involved a trailer truck on the Egg Main Road in Trelawney on Monday afternoon. It is understood that the vehicle, which was traveling towards Duncan's, burst into flame on impact with the trailer which was traveling in the opposite direction. The driver was reportedly trapped in the vehicle, which was consumed by fire. The accident resulted in a massive build-up of traffic along the thoroughfare. Members of the emergency team, including the police and the fire department, were on the scene.